This is a Dell Latitude D630. We're going to upgrade the RAM from 2 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes. So right now you can see we're running 2 gigabytes of RAM, Windows 10 Pro. We're going to add this RAM stick right here. We got it off a slow boat from China. Okay, we got to shut down. Okay, turn your laptop over. We're going to remove the battery. You want to pull these two, there's a primary battery right here. We're going to pull these clips outward, away from each other, that way. Pull it slightly towards you, and then lift it up. Okay, here's where the RAM, one of the RAM sticks goes right here. There's two, you can put 2 RAM sticks in this computer. One's underneath the keyboard. I covered that in another video on my playlist. You can look there for that. We're gonna replace the one in here, or add to it. There's not one in this bay right now. Just take a Phillips screwdriver. Sorry about that. Okay, RAM stick here. You just want to put it on an angle. Turn it sideways. You see, I got it on about a 45-degree angle there. Make sure you set it all the way in, and then just push down on it. Make sure these tabs on the sides lock in. They'll lock in once you push it down. That's it for that. You just replace this cover. Replace the battery. Then push it forward. Let's restart and see what we got. I'm going to pause here because when you change the amount of memory in the computer, it wants to go into F2. It wants to go into the BIOS. So let me pause here for a second until it gets up there. We're waiting for this bar here to get across here. And it takes a minute when you change the memory. Let me pause one more time. Almost there. Okay, hold on, I got a password here too. Okay, I just put my password in there. You're going to hit F2 here. When it gives you this message here, the amount of system memory has changed. You want to hit F2. It's taking you into the BIOS. These are advanced settings in here. Don't play with anything in here. Just go ahead and hit. If you look down here in the corner, it says press escape to exit setup. That's what we want to do. So we're going to go over here and press escape in the top corner. And then up here, you want to move that over to exit. So you go down to your arrows here. Just push the arrow key to the right, the right one, until you highlight exit. Just say enter. Okay, now we should be booting up. Let me pause here for a second until okay, we're still waiting for this bar here to get across here. Fill out that square there. The computer's looking around at itself and seeing how much memory it's got. Don't panic, this process takes about a minute or two. Let me pause one more time. Okay, we're back. It's almost there. Okay, I got a password. Hold on one second. One more pause. One more password. Hold tight. Okay, we're in Windows 10. Now we'll go see how much memory we got on board. Four gigs. I'm sorry about the light shining at us there. 4 gigabytes. Okay, there you go. Like and subscribe.